Hello and welcome to this new video on how to claim core on MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to add the core network. So in order to add the core network, you just have to look on the top left hand side. There will be a drop down box or icon. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear. And in the bottom of the pop-up box, there will be add network. So you just have to click on that add network, and add network section will be appeared right in front of you. And on the bottom of the network section, there will be add a network manually. So you just have to click on that, and there will be multiple information that you need to fill, and this information you can find in Google. So let's go to the next web page, and we just need to click on the search bar and search for how to claim core on MetaMask. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to scroll down a little bit, and under the people also ask section, you just have to click on the first question, and you just need to look at the website that posted the answer to this question. So you just have to click on that, and their interface will be shown to you. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit, and you will be able to see the information that we need to add in the MetaMask boxes. And when you have entered all the information, you just need to copy all those information and paste it here, and you just need to click on the save button, and you need to switch to the core network. And when you have done that, you just need to again go to the new web page, and you need to search for core DAO and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is coredao.org. So just click on it, and its official website will be shown to you. Now you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be connect wallet. So you just have to click on it, and you will be able to see MetaMask as well. So you just have to connect your wallet to the core, and you will be able to claim core on MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.